It's Friday night.
It's Friday night.
They feel hungry.
They feel hungry.
They don't want to cook.
They don't want to cook.
They check the menu.
They check the menu.
They order pizza.
They order pizza.
The restaurant confirms the order.
The restaurant confirms the order.
They look at the time.
They look at the time.
They wait excitedly for the delivery.
They wait excitedly for the delivery.
They talk about toppings.
They talk about toppings.
Extra cheese is the best, one says.
Extra cheese is the best, one says.
I love pepperoni, another adds.
I love pepperoni, another adds.
They check the app.
They check the app.
The pizza is on the way.
The pizza is on the way.
They set the table.
They set the table.
They hear a knock at the door.
They hear a knock at the door.
The pizza is here, someone shouts.
The pizza is here, someone shouts.
They rush to get it.
They rush to get it.
Dinner is ready.
Dinner is ready.
Emma feels thirsty.
Emma feels thirsty.
She walks to the kitchen.
She walks to the kitchen.
She opens the fridge.
She opens the fridge.
She looks inside.
She looks inside.
She sees a bottle of orange juice.
She sees a bottle of orange juice.
She takes out the bottle of orange juice.
She takes out the bottle of orange juice.
She grabs a glass from the shelf.
She grabs a glass from the shelf.
She twists the cap open.
She twists the cap open.
She pours the juice into the glass.
She pours the juice into the glass.
The juice looks fresh and cold.
The juice looks fresh and cold.
She takes a sip.
She takes a sip.
It tastes sweet and tangy.
It tastes sweet and tangy.
She smiles.
She smiles.
That's refreshing, she says.
That's refreshing, she says.
She puts the bottle back in the fridge.
She puts the bottle back in the fridge.
She closes the fridge door.
She closes the fridge door.
She sits down and enjoys her drink.
She sits down and enjoys her drink.
John wakes up early.
John wakes up early.
He stretches and yawns.
He stretches and yawns.
He walks to the kitchen.
He walks to the kitchen.
He opens the cabinet.
He opens the cabinet.
He takes out a coffee mug.
He takes out a coffee mug.
He fills the kettle with water.
He fills the kettle with water.
He turns it on.
He turns it on.
The water starts boiling.
The water starts boiling.
He grabs a coffee jar.
He grabs a coffee jar.
He scoops some coffee into his mug.
He scoops some coffee into his mug.
He pours hot water into it.
He pours hot water into it.
He stirs it slowly.
He stirs it slowly.
The smell is strong and fresh.
The smell is strong and fresh.
He takes a sip.
He takes a sip.
The coffee is hot.
The coffee is hot.
He smiles.
He smiles.
He drinks coffee every morning.
He drinks coffee every morning.
It helps him wake up.
It helps him wake up.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.